Justin Deseck here, London, Ontario Realtor, coming to you today from East London with this beautiful new listing that we have here, priced under $400,000. Welcome to 1103 Trafalgar Street. Let's go check it out. All right, so you have this little bonus room here, and it is fully insulated. There's lots of windows, but the real good stuff is this way. Follow me. So you're gonna love coming home to this updated, open concept home here with 2 bedrooms. You've got all kinds of natural light coming in from the west side of the building, and you're absolutely gonna love the space here. Let's have a walk around. Here we are now in my favorite room in the house, as always, the kitchen. Check out the pendant lighting, the open concept, the breakfast bar. You're gonna love the countertop, loads of counter space. I couldn't wait in the morning to make a coffee here or have some friends or family over for entertaining. This is a great space. There are so many features about this home that you won't appreciate until you come and see it for yourself. For example, loads of cupboard space. If you're a foodie, you've got so many cabinets here, you'll never run out of space. Recessed fridge, amazing space saver, very clean, just waiting for you to come and put all your goodies inside. Now, you actually do have a full pantry over here as well. So again, if you're a foodie, you have extra storage requirements. Very rare to find something in this price range that actually has a pantry in the kitchen. Now, on top of that, a pocket door leading to your gigantic 4-piece bathroom. Amazing. So now that we're downstairs in the lower level, you're gonna see that you have all new carpet down here, a fresh coat of paint. There's lots of natural light down here as well. Proper egress windows, a really nice additional living space for a den or a formal living room, and a full bedroom with a gigantic closet. So lots of stuff to see here. You've got to come check it out for yourself. Don't hesitate reaching out to book a showing directly through me. Let's go see outside what the rest of this property has to offer. So we're going to conclude today's tour on the exterior of the home, but before we get into what's out here, I want to remind you, this home is very economical to heat and cool. You do have full central air conditioning, and it's move-in ready, absolutely turnkey. Now outside, you have this detached single car garage. Contact me for the specific measurements. You've also got a 132-foot deep lot and a steel roof on this property. Freshly sealed driveway. The list goes on and on. There's nothing better in this price range, under $400,000. If I can help get you through this house, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck, Sutton Group Select Realty. Until next time, take good care and bye for now.